How to download and install Genshin Impact on PC. Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing Genshin Impact on your PC. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the official Genshin Impact website at genshin.mihoyo.com. This ensures you're downloading the game safely and securely from the right and official website. Once you're on the website, click on the download button and you'll see options for different platforms, so select the PC version and this will download the Genshin Impact installer to your computer. After the download is complete, locate the installer file and double click on it. When prompted, choose the installation location for the game. If you're okay with the default one, just click install and the game will start downloading. Be patient as it can take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you can launch Genshin Impact directly from the installer or find the game icon on your desktop. Log in with your MiHoYo account or create one if you don't have it. And that's it, you're all set to explore the beautiful world of Genshin Impact. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming guides. And thanks for watching.